Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, I would like to start this video with famous idioms. Many a little makes a mickles. बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है. Yes, बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है. A tiny little, a drop of water can fill the pitcher. Mark on the stone with continuous falling. So why you cannot become fluent in English with your continuous practice? Beginner, why they cannot speak English with their continuous practice? They can, but sometimes we get such kind of thought, I will be or not. I will able to beginner they think I will able to speak English or not. I will be able to achieve fluency or not. This thought comes in our mind and it seems so hard and difficult. But my dear friend, it is not impossible. Yes, it seems hard, difficult, challenging, but not impossible. When it seems difficult, challenging, and hard, once you haven't started your practice, once you haven't started your journey, take a step out. Till then it seems difficult, challenging, but once you start doing practice, doing a practice of reading, listening, writing, everything, these things start becoming easy for you, and you can enjoy this process, this journey. So if you have goal to become fluent in English, beginner they have a dream to speak English, they can achieve, they can acquire their dream, their goal. But for that they need to become like that tiny drop, a drop of water. They need to be like that, then they can also achieve whatever they want. Fluency, advanced level, yeah, beginner they want to speak English, they can acquire, they can accomplish everything. And for that they need to, they should have three things. First, they need to be continuous, continue. Like I told, when I started this video, I told one idioms, many a little makes a miracle. So if you want to achieve your goal, acquire your goal, so you also need to be continue with your with your practice. So you first continuity should be, then you can acquire. Second, practice. Yes, we know one famous idiom, that practice makes perfect. Practice makes us perfect. So you need to be continue with your practice, then you can acquire and achieve the perfectness whatever you want to achieve. Third, you should have patience. Yes, patience. If you have patience, then you will have courage. You will be calm with your struggle, with your hurdles, with your practice, with you on your journey, and you will stay with your hard work if you have patience. So three things you should have, you need to be like that, then you can acquire your goal, you can accomplish your goal. Like you can achieve fluency, and you have to do your practice until you won't achieve fluency, until beginner they cannot speak English. They have to do every day with continuous practice of reading, practice of listening, practice of grammar, practice of speaking, practice of writing, vocabulary, every day you have to do, and you have to do until you won't get. until you won't achieve. So in this way you will achieve your fluency. Beginner, they will speak English. Who has dreamed to become advanced in English, they can, with their continuous practice, with and have the patience. So my dear friend, only you need to be continuous and do your practice, 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 practice. Don't rush behind tips that tell me this tips, that tips. I want to become fluent in English, I want to speak in English. No, reading, writing, listening, speaking, vocabulary, these all are important, necessary for speaking English. Whether someone is beginner, intermediate, advanced level, everyone has to do this five practice they have to do, but according to their label they have to do. So don't rush behind tips. Just the tips you have got, and whomsoever you like, and their speaking style, and they tell tips for speaking English, for becoming fluent in English. Follow them and practice as much as you can. Do practice, that much practice you should do. Then you will become fluent, you will speak English, you will become advanced in English, because practice makes perfect. Okay, so I hope this video will motivate you, help you, and make you understand. I to be continue and do practice and keep the patience, and don't rush behind only tips. What we do, only we rush behind tips rather than practice. Some days we follow, and so after that we leave and say that tell me new tips. No, whatever you have and just practice them as much as you can. So definitely you will reach to your goal, you will acquire your goal, you will accomplish your fluency. So and I hope this video will help you and make you understand, and you will understand, you will do practice with your continuity, and have a patience, keeping the patience. And so for today, that's it. Let's call it a day. We will meet in next video. Bye bye.